Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everybody and welcome back to our caster wheel project tutorials. I know that you get bored because we're still preparing to work. Don't worry, soon we'll start working with design. Okay, now we will work with our parts. We're modeling our first part. Of course, to work with part, you have to go to detailed drawing of the part, but before that, I prefer to create our template, our part template. What is that supposed to mean? We're still in our project, as you can see. Okay, be sure that you are in it. And here we'll click the part temp. When you click the default part, as we can see here, we have X, Y, and Z axis. If I click the home icon on the view cube that we call view cube, we can see that the Z is going to the left, X go to the right, and Y is going up. Here we have origin folders, planes. Okay, then this is the XZ. This is the XZ, sorry, this is the YZ, and this is the XZ, XY. YZ, XZ, XY. We usually know that XY is the top plane. So how to direct these axes and make them as we want. I prefer to do this, okay, for once, and then we'll use this part as a template. Then we'll do it one time and we'll save it as a template part, our template part, not Inventor. To do so, as I told you, we are going here. When you click at the home icon on the view cube, you will go to 3D. When you are clicking with the face, okay, you can see right view. Here we have front and back view. We have here front view, left view, sorry. And here we have front view. Okay, but our front view usually, okay, consists of X and Z axis. And how to do so? You can use these arrows here or these arrows here. Okay, so I want to rotate the Y down and the X there. This is my X. My X. My Z axis will point toward up. Then I go from here now. Go here, and this is my XZ. This is my front view. How to define this in Inventor? Then go here and you have a small arrow. Click on the small arrow. Go here down, set current view as front. Set current view as front. You go back to home view. Okay, if I go back to home view now, where's my front? This is my front. You switch it in order to have it right. Then this is my X, that's my Z. Then how to go to 3D? You just click on the corner of the cube, not the edge. One of the face. The face will give you views. At the corner of the cube, we are in 3D view now. X, Y, and Z. How to set this as a home view? Then again, go to small arrow here, click on it, go down, set current view as home, and fit to view. Now we set our planes, as we can see, XY. This is my XY plane. Of course, you can use the mouse wheel, zooming in, zooming out. And when you still keep clicking on the wheel, you can pan. Okay, then zoom in, zoom out, and pan. Okay, and this is my XY plane, it's the top plane, XZ plane, okay, front, and YZ plane is the side. Now I set the views of my part. In order not to do this all the time, when you are starting a new part, then we'll save this as a template. We save this as a template. How to do this? Then we go to File. Don't click, just move down to Save As. Don't click on the Save As. Don't click. Okay, then again, File, move down to Save As, and from the menu, you select Save Copy as a template. Save Copy as a template. Now we'll name it as my part, and let us give it unit Here, all the templates that they are installed in our software, so my template will be inside the software. Then my part Okay, save, close. No. In order to find it, you have to, if you are small, this dialog box, if it's small, you have to make it a little bit big in order to see the advanced. Okay, you have to you have these two parallel lines. You can make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so in order to see this advanced, if you click on the advanced, here's the templates that we did, but we don't have our template. My part there is no my part Okay, then to see it, you have to switch off, close the software. Again, as we said, okay, we have to go to our Inventor. And now we didn't change any schema, but keep it in mind. Double click on the caster wheel to launch the software again. So this is my software. And then don't use the basic. Don't click on this one. Otherwise, you have to redo or rearrange the views. So I'll go to advanced here and I can find my part. Here's my part. Double click and wait. Let us check. Click on the home tab, home view, home icon, and we have the X, Y, and Z set up. What if I want to go to another PC? I want to take this with me. In order to take this template with you, you have to save it as template again. Then File, Save As, Template, and put it anywhere on your PC. Anywhere. On any drive, okay? And name it the same, my part, and save. Okay, you can now go to that folder, take it on your flash memory, put it. Okay, how to put it back to Inventor on another PC? Then you have to open it. Okay, again, we put it here, yeah? You have to open it, open, and the location doesn't matter, click yes. When it's open, again, you have to File, Save As, Template, okay, and name it and put it here in the templates inside the software on a new PC, because we have it here. Okay, so this way we create a part template that will use it all over our tutorials. Then again, don't use the basic. Don't use the basic here. We'll use our template advanced, and we have our template my part MA. Thank you for watching. Don't worry, next video we'll start working with bots. Bye, keep tuned.